Hey, it's Boudreaux Eunice on call. How y'all are this afternoon? This evening, I should say. Oh, Missy done whooped up some chicken and sausage gravy. Let me try to get that stirred up a little bit. Shy, bon Dieu. Look at that. And potato gravy. Cool. Oh yeah. That's the side. And then some Mahatma water-made long grain rice. Oh yeah. We always do that. Long grain. With a Hitachi rice cooker. The best rice cookers they ever made. But they don't make them no more. Not in that old style like that. And we got good company tonight. Malcolm Nakan.
Hi. You good?
There he is. Well, let me get on this side of him where I could. He was in the shadow. There he is right there. I could see him without a shadow. And that's the only man I know right there that mixes coleslaw on top of his rice and gravy. Look at that. Man, Mom. I always eat mine in a bowl on the side. And then we got Miss Ann. Oh, she's hiding herself. All right. So, and then, oh boy, then we got the Mac 3516 that's going to leave out of here tomorrow. And got some M&Ms on the counter over there. So, anyway, I'm going to take another look at this. Oh, yeah. So, anyway, we'll holler at y'all. Plutarch.